Hey guys, I just did me a surface planter that I put my fabric pots on. This is a 3 feet 36 inches to 6 feet long, and these little support ones in the middle, they're 3 feet, and I got 3 of those and 8 wheels, and this is treated wood. Then I'm going to lay some plastic, some painter's plastic on the top part of it, so it will preserve my wood for a little longer time. All right guys, I got this container, this pallet for my bags all set up. I can fit 4 10-gallon fabric pots, 3 7-gallons, and 2 5s. I probably can do another 10 right here, or a 7, or a 7, or 3 gallons. But I decided to do like this because these 2 I'm going to plant corn. These 2 I'm going to do okra. And all these are going to be perennial herbs, except for basil and dill. I think I'm going to do sweet marjoram, sage, and what I want here, it's another one, thyme. No, yeah, thyme, because all these need full sun. So I'm trying to do, all I'm going to have to do is switch out of my basil and my dill, but I think the dill can be perennial, it depends. And my corn and my okra is what I'll be switching out and rotating right here. Okay, so what I put in here, I put all the coarse soil at the bottom. I put some nitrogen and some crab from Crab and Lobster for calcium, and nitrogen to break up all that bark right there, so it won't take away from the top part of the root. 15 nitrogen at the bottom of that, so they can maintain that nitrogen right there. And I did that for every last one of them. I did all the coarse bark at the bottom with soil at the bottom, so that can deteriorate and turn into some nice soil. Then I fill the rest of it up with sifted soil, and this is black humus soil. I don't buy the potted stuff. I'm gonna use some seaweed and some worm castings in this. And like I said, this is a 6 by 3. I think it's a very nice size. I did this one over here, but this one is a 2 by 6, a 30 inches, 2.5 feet, 6 feet. Very easy to move around. I know y'all seen me make one of these, but I used the plain straight board, and I put the plastic on top of here, and I used some wood little tack nails and put the plastic down. Now I'm doing this to kind of keep the bugs from going from underneath the thing into my pots, because I am going to put some netting on top of here. These screws right here is for PVC pipe to go all the way around, because y'all know I like to cover my plants, and I'm going to put netting on top of that. I think for the okra, I think I'm going to do a 7 to 10 feet pole PVC pipe going all the way up about 10 feet, probably 8. I'll do 8. I'm going to try to keep the okra down to 8 feet. I really want to keep them down to 7 feet, but if they grow beyond that, so I think I'm going to do a 10 feet PVC in the air with these and my netting. Yeah, guys. Y'all look at the plants growing. Plants are looking lovely. Look at that sugar cane looking nice. Grapes. Even got some grapes growing right here. I only see 2 on this plant for right now, which is not bad. This one is kind of struggling, so I'm gonna have to see about the Thompson's grape. This is not mildew. This is actually a clay to keep mildew down when it's hot. And I just come in. This one is kind of struggling. It looks like it needs some nitrogen, so I might have to put some nitrogen on it. Do see some ants here. I like to come in and just, take all these bad leaves off of here. Plucking leaves is not gonna do no harm. That this one is doing really well. Muscadine. Don't see too much. Fig, look at the fig trees growing well. Apple tree. Pomegranate, I don't see any blossoms yet. Blooms on the pomegranate yet. So we'll see about how they doing. Probably need a little nitrogen. Looking nice. Look at the nectarines, y'all. I think this nectarine, yeah, I think this is the, yeah, this is the flavor top nectarine. Cherry tree hanging on there. Cherry tree don't too much like a lot of heat. I see that. Avocado don't too much like a lot of heat either. Kind of nice it's looking. My citrus trees, I think I need to put a little nitrogen on them. But they are struggling. From the lime, the lemon, the oranges, they all struggling. So we'll see. Because they didn't have much leaves. So got a lot of fruit growing on them, but not much leaves. This is that Meyer lemon, y'all, and look like they're growing from the bottom, branching out from the bottom. But long as they don't go beyond past this, I'm fine with it. Keep the shape up. So that's that. Everything seems to be doing well. But guys, I just want to show y'all this little thing here and how I'm setting up my my vegetable garden. I'm gonna have to get this out the way eventually. I'm gonna have, I think I like this size right here, but in tight spots, I'm gonna have one like this on both sides. I'm gonna have an 8 by 3 feet going across this way. I'm gonna push this one up further because this is gonna be okra, so they're gonna be kind of tall, and I'll push that up that way. This right here I might bring back, and I have some more perennial herbs I like to just put on this. So the little smaller ones like this would be for my herbs and stuff, so I'm bringing that one back. I really do like this size right here because I can get a lot of bags on here. So I'm gonna try to put one on each side. One on each side, so you know that I can have some walking room right here. So I think I'll be able to do it. Like I said, I'm gonna straddle one. I'm gonna straddle one right here, and keep about 4 feet right there. Keep a little 4 feet right there in between the fruits and stuff, so I can kind of get back here and pick right here. So I might go back a little bit more, probably about right there, so I can come in here and pick on this side and pick on that side. So I'm just trying to map it out how I want to. So I'm gonna have this one gonna be an 8 foot. So the 8 foot is gonna be right here. I'm gonna push this one kind of close, but I'm gonna make sure I have at least 4 feet of walking space. 4 feet of walking space, and this is probably pretty good right here. And I'm gonna kind of, and I can actually probably keep them straddled this way. Might serve me right, huh? I'm gonna see how it goes, y'all. I have to do a lot of measuring. I wonder if y'all give me some feedback. Y'all think I should just straddle them going this way and have the walking room going in between the rows like this? And then I can walk from this way like that too. Keep this one open. Don't put nothing right here so I can walk around to get to my other trees on this side. So this is how I'm trying to map it out, guys. But the reason why I had it that way, so if I have to do some trellises, but I think that'll gonna work. Put that 8 foot right here. Put that 8 foot right here, and have me about 4 feet in between each one. Guys, y'all tell me what y'all think. So I need to make 4 more of these because I already got 4. I already got 2. I need to make 4 more this size right here. I really didn't meant to make it that size right there, but it just happened so I'm thinking that this can be on that back part, because I do need some walking room towards my house. So that smallest one can fit way back there, which is going to be like shaded perennials and winter crops that would be back there with a shade. Because the shade, about 3 o'clock, the shade comes all the way up to about right here, from the house to right here. So all my shaded crops going to be right here. And so they got 6 hours of sunlight, and then they will be shaded out for the rest of the day. They won't even get the west sun either. So that's how I'm going to fit that. Oh, yeah, I got to clean up this yard. I got stuff everywhere. When you're planting stuff, you got stuff be everywhere. So I'm thinking about, that'll be one, which that is that board right there. So I'll have that in the shade. And I might make 2 more like that size like that. And then the rest of them would be this size. I think I'm going to do 1 more that size and an 8-foot going just that way. An 8-foot going that way. And the rest of them like this. And I'll have 1 right here. And then I'll do 4 feet, have another one right here. So that's 2. And then another 4 feet will be right here. And that'll be another 6 foot. So 3 of those will be like this, and my 8-foot would be right there, and my two like that will be further in the back. I think that'll work, but we'll see. I always can move stuff around, because I think that back part right there, if I'm not mistaken, I think I'm going to turn this around and make it that long way, so I can just walk up to stuff in the middle, and then these right here, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna have to keep it a little bit away from my plants, but I really don't, because I just can move these inwards, because I do have a lot of walking room right here that I'm not going to be using. All right, guys, that is it. I just want to show y'all this, and stay tuned. I just want to show y'all my little pallets of how I was going to make my garden out here without in-ground. Just with this little area right here, just with this little area right here, I can grow a lot of vegetables. And I think across that way from there, I'm not working. I'm really not working with a lot right here, but it's not bad. So I just want to show y'all these little pallets that I made. Very sturdy pallets. All right, guys, I just wanted to show y'all my little pallets I made for my bags. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Me and my husband did this project together, and they're on wheels. So y'all remember, grow y'all wealth in the garden. You never know. Until next time, my name is DeWanda. Bye.